Alright, looking in the front, check that out. Isn't that cool?
Well, good evening everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I want to get on here and do an unboxing slash install of a product that I received in the mail today. Got these from a company called Tufskinz.com. I had contacted them because I was looking for some inserts for the cup holders inside of my Tundra. Been looking for a little while, and coincidentally an ad popped up. I clicked on it and contacted Tufskinz and had them send me these cup holder inserts for both the front and the rear on the Tundra. And we're gonna open this up here. Alright, let me get you pointed down so you guys can see these. And we'll see what's in here. Alright. We have, let's see, we have a packing slip that lists both the two different kinds. That would be for the front and the rear. And then we have an instruction list here that shows you how to install these, although I can't imagine they are very complicated to do. But we'll go through that once we're out at the truck and go to get these things installed. Now, what I've got here, there are two for the back. These would fit in the rear cup holders, and these are a foamy kind of material. They feel really nice. They look really good. And then we have a kit for the cup holders and spaces in the front of the truck. You guys can see that. Now, I will have a discount code for you guys if you're interested in these or any of the other products on the Tufskinz.com website. The discount code I'll put at the end of the video. Also offered with that is free shipping. Can't beat that. Some of the products they sell of course the interior foam inserts. They do a Toyota grill overlay. Some AC vent rings, which I'm probably going to get for myself. I think those are pretty cool. That way you can kind of eliminate that chrome look that is on the inside of the Tundra. They have tailgate Tundra inserts and more. They have a lot of different things on the website. Check them out. It's Tufskinz.com, which is T-U-F as in Frank, S-K-I-N-Z.com. All right, we're going to go out to the truck and we're going to install these. We'll run through this little instruction sheet real quick and get these in, and I'll let you guys see it. Let you know what I think. Stay tuned.
All right, we are out here inside the truck now. I've got all of the inserts here with me, and the first thing that you need to do is go through and make sure that all the surfaces that you're going to put these in are clean, wax-free, oil-free, because they are adhesive-backed, and you do want good adhesion to the inserts, especially if you clean the inside with anything like Armor All or anything like that. They do provide instructions here to tell you exactly what to use and how to clean them. I never use any kind of an oil-based cleaner inside my truck. I just use a soapy kind of water. So I just went through and wiped everything down with that, and I think I'm good to go. So now we're going to dry fit all the pieces and make sure they fit properly, and then we'll put them in permanently. Stay tuned. Okay, we've got the dry fit done. Wow, these are too awesome, man. These are cool. I'm going to go through and do the final install on these, and what that means is removing the backing and sticking them down in each spot that they're supposed to go, and then I'll come through here and show you guys the finished product. Okay, we've got everything permanently installed now, so let's take a look. Let's start in the back, the rear cup holders. I don't have great lighting back here, but you guys can see they are in the cup holders back here, the red accenting. I went with red. There are many other colors you can get. I could have gotten cement, but I wanted to break it up a little bit in here and have something a little bit different, so that's why I went with red. Let's go into the front. Plus it matches the Toyota little seat stoppers I have here. Alright, looking in the front, check that out. Isn't that cool? It looks awesome. They fit perfectly, I must say. They're spot on. Everything fit like it should. No issues whatsoever in putting these in. Very easy to install. You guys see down here, let the camera catch up. There you go. And great adhesive on the back. Forgiving enough that you can take it back out if you need to adjust a little bit, but strong enough that they're not going to go anywhere. There's one in the center here. You notice how they even put the little slots in to fit around the slots that are in the truck. Same thing here and same thing here. Attention to detail, that's what I like, and these certainly do. Fantastic product. I would highly recommend this to dress up the inside of your Tundra. They also sell accessory parts like this for Ford, Jeep, Dodge, Nissan. So check them out. If you're interested in these parts, I have a 10% discount code for you. It's YOTA, Y-O-T-A 10. Plus free shipping. 10% off and free shipping. Check them out, Tufskinz.com. I'll leave a link below. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. I give this product a big thumbs up. I hope you'll give this video a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.